Hi, I'm Jim Mahanes with Lincoln Heritage Council. Hurricane Florence left over $16 billion worth of damage and affected millions of lives. Many of those are fellow scouts in the Carolinas. Councils all across our region are joining forces to gather items from our families and friends. The Lincoln Heritage Council has been asked to gather these items. We'll put the entire list below, and it'll also be on our website. I'll give you the address here in a moment. You can take any donated item to one of our scout shops in Lincoln Heritage Council. We'll have a list of those in the description also. Here's our chance to do a good turn for our fellow scouts. Scouts helping scouts.